Designing deck lighting. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. Sitting on a chair, eating dinner, or breakfast outside, bathing in the sun, and/or admiring the views are all enjoyable and relaxing activities we enjoy on our decks, and they're even more fun and interesting when the design and ambience are just right. In this video, we will give you some deck lighting ideas that will surely enhance the overall appearance of your landscape lighting masterpiece. Keep in mind that lighting can be added to your deck in a variety of ways. Begin by considering where lighting is required for specific purposes, such as rear stairs or the grill, and then consider adding landscape lighting for scenery near seating areas or flower pots. Deck lighting design ideas. Umbrella lighting. Many decks have large umbrellas to keep the sun out during the day, and these same umbrellas can also help keep the party going after sundown. Decorated umbrellas with inexpensive string lights is simple and adds a festive feel to your outdoor space. Stair lighting. Adding integrated stair lighting makes after dark time outside a lot safer. So use low-level recessed lighting to eliminate pathways, steps, and any other changes in deck level, which look especially effective when integrated into your steps. String lights. These lights and fairy lights aren't just for the holidays or children's rooms. String lights strung across the roof or backyard are a simple technique for creating an intimate backyard space. These outdoor related lights, which can be plugged in or battery powered, can be strung across a dining table, across a pergola, or along the length of a fence to add a soft glow during an evening cookout, dinner party, or afternoon garden festivities. Pendant lights. Many homeowners prefer ceiling-mounted light fixtures for interior rooms that require bright lighting. Why not try the same fixture outside? If an outdoor structure is available for mounting, an outdoor-related light fixture may just be the ticket for dark decks and porches. Pendant lights powered by batteries or solar panels are available in a variety of styles, ranging from rustic lanterns to streamlined modern fixtures. Some outdoor pendant lights even have remote controls, so there's no need to get up during a dinner party. Pergola lighting. Many choose a pergola to provide a seating area and some shade while they relax outside. The posts and grid of beams and rafters of the structure can be used to hang the lights and brighten up the area at night. Paper lanterns are among the outdoor rated lighting options that can be hung on a pergola. Deck floor lamps. If there isn't anywhere to hang or mount a light fixture on your deck, a floor lamp might be the best option. Recessed lights are a great way to light your way around a deck while also illuminating deck lighting, walkways, and even elegant deck railing concepts. They are widely available online in stores, but if you want to create a more unique look, you have to look a little further. Did these different deck lighting ideas inspire you to design your own deck? We certainly hope so. We gathered a wide variety of deck lighting designs and solutions to hopefully inspire your own project here at TLC. Contact us now to receive a free consultation. We are grateful for your support, so please continue to like and share our videos. Subscribe for more, and we thank you. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.